Hi! Just a quick shout out to let you know that I'm super excited about visiting Skopje and the startup grind. So looking forward to share my experience from coaching managers at companies like Ericsson, IKEA, Swedbank, SEB, Electrolux, some of the major Swedish brands. There's a lot of investment going to really lift the employees, and the managers are of course key contributor to any company's culture really. Obviously, we'll be talking about Scandinavian culture and why I believe that we have some advantage when it comes to building successful startups and what those advantages are. But I also actually believe that Eastern European countries, and much like Macedonia, have some other advantage compared to Swedish people when it comes to mindset and entrepreneurship. So I'm really happy to sharing my thoughts on that. We will absolutely touch the importance of having a team around you. No matter where you start on your startup journey, you will face obstacles. Times will be tough. And when it gets tough, you need perspective, you need support, you need a team. No one, not even Steve Jobs, was successful on his own. He was very successful in building teams that then helped him create those wonderful successes that we today are in awe of. But even Airbnb had 2 tough years before they even made money. So you're going to be on a rough struggle if you're about to enter the startup journey. I can't think about anything else that would motivate me to work as hard as startups do, and just the mission you have behind to really succeed. Super excited about meeting you. Already had some people contact me on LinkedIn. Please do that. I'm super open to hearing your expectations and so eager to meet you. See you soon.